My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Do you want to see gadgets that actually change the rules of the game? Forget the ordinary stuff. Here we're talking about technology that's on another level. Things so clever, useful, and badass that once you see them, you can't stop thinking about them. Showers that sing to you with Alexa, scooters that transform for snow or mud, monitors that curve on their own, chargers that feel like magic, locks that read your fingerprint, and a ton of inventions you're going to love. In this video, I bring you the most impressive, crazy, and addictive gadgets of the moment. So get comfortable, because we're starting right now. A nostalgic greeting straight from the Soviet Union. This clock welcomes you when you turn it on and says goodbye when you turn it off in style. It has 3 touch buttons, an illuminated circuit board with a fluorescent tube on a transparent substrate, and a design that's pure visual joy. It features a high-performance chip for maximum accuracy and several color gradient modes that you control comfortably with an RF remote. Total cyberpunk vibes. A more futuristic version of the levitating concept with RGB lighting and a spaceship look. With 5 watts of power, it's perfect for offices or medium-sized rooms. You can pair 2 units to create an immersive stereo system. Can you imagine starting your day with hot water and your favorite playlist playing? Some geniuses fused a premium shower head with a built-in Bluetooth speaker. And as if that wasn't enough, it comes with Alexa built-in so you can control everything with your voice. Installation is a breeze, although the spray modes are a bit limited. The 10-watt speaker, tuned by Harman Kardon, delivers surprisingly clear and powerful sound. The battery lasts up to 5 hours, perfect for daily routines. When it's time to recharge, you simply remove the module. It attaches magnetically and charges wirelessly. It also works as a microphone and even as a waterproof toy for the kids in the bathtub. 100% waterproof, of course. Forget typing uncomfortably on your phone for hours. This Bluetooth keyboard connects to up to 3 devices at once and switches between them instantly. Scissor switch keys are smooth and comfortable for heavy typing. The cover turns into an ergonomic stand that raises the screen to eye level. The touchpad deploys when you need it and is resistant to dust and splashes. With just 2 hours of USB-C charging, it lasts up to 400 hours. The perfect companion for long trips or remote work. An elegant-looking speaker that looks great in any living room. Although it seems bulky, you flip the switch and control it with voice commands thanks to its built-in AI assistant. 2 full-range speakers deliver 20 watts of clear and powerful audio. The star detail is its levitating cube. If the power goes out, it stays magnetically attached to the main body. Goodbye to traditional dental floss, that task nobody enjoys. This system uses a custom mouthpiece tailored to your mouth and cleans all your teeth in just 7 seconds with 1 button. It generates 60 precision water jets that cover the entire oral cavity at once. If shared, you simply change the mouthpiece. The reservoir allows oral infusions and the handle returns magnetically to its base. It's expensive, but worth every penny compared to a dentist visit. Those cables that always end up in impossible knots have a solution. This retractable baseous cable extends up to 1 meter. Connect one USB-C end to your device and the other to the power source or another device for data transfer. It supports up to 100 watts fast charging and ultra-fast data transfers. It's extremely resistant, holds up to 13.6 kilograms, and includes a chip that protects against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. Want a scooter that adapts to any terrain like a chameleon? This beast does it. It switches from 2 wheels for the city to front wheel plus rear tracks for off-road, or front ski plus tracks for snow and ice. With a 48-volt lithium battery and 1,500-watt motor, it reaches over 40 kilometers per hour on asphalt and up to 56 kilometers per hour on snow. It features dual disc brakes, full hydraulic suspension, a robust chassis, LCD screen, integrated lights, and folds easily. Ideal if you weigh under 118 kilograms. a magnetic case for M.2 to 230 NVMe SSD that sticks directly to the back of your phone. Connect the USB-C cable and you instantly get up to 2 terabytes of extra storage. It reaches 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds and read/write speeds between 1,000 to 1,200 megabytes per second. Transfer HD movies in seconds. If your phone runs out of battery during transfer, you can connect a power bank directly to the system. A 55-inch 4K TV doesn't sound revolutionary until you find out it's transparent. When you want normal TV mode, you place a contrast film on the back. It runs WebOS, supports custom widgets, and creates mind-blowing depth effects in transparent mode. It loses some brightness compared to LG's top OLEDs. It doesn't have micro-lens array technology, but the colors remain vibrant and surprising. Complement your setup with this fully transparent numeric keypad with 18 RGB backlighting modes. There's a semi-transparent version, but the fully transparent one is the most impressive. It connects via Bluetooth or USB-C to PC, laptop, or smartphone. The ice crystal switches are smooth and silent, perfect for offices or shared spaces. Fully customizable, layout, keycaps, and every key can be configured from the app. A mini power bank so compact it fits on your keychain. Its 2,000 mAh won't fully charge an iPhone, but it gives you a vital boost in critical moments. It stays ready 24/7 thanks to its magnetic dock. Plus, it doubles as an original business card. What catches your attention most is that they literally clip onto your ear. The 12mm drivers deliver very good sound, although without the deep bass of in-ear headphones. Their open design is ideal for running, cycling, or any outdoor activity. IPX4 rating. Each side has a physical button. They control sound leakage very well, and they offer immersive audio with spatialization. The battery lasts up to 7.5 hours, 4.5 with spatial audio. Calls sound crystal clear. They cost $299, but the unique concept and quality more than justify it. A flashlight you don't need to hold. The Olight All-Clip clips easily onto hats, clothes, or backpacks to light your way while walking or working. It delivers 300 lumens with a range of about 70 meters. It includes a red light to preserve night vision and emergency strobe modes. The battery lasts around 30 hours and charges via USB-C. Practical and always at hand. I was never a fan of drawing or writing on the iPad with the Apple Pencil because the glass is slippery and gets covered in fingerprints. Paper like promised and delivered a real paper feel. It comes with 2 protectors. The installation is excellent, clean and apply. Its Swiss microsphere technology replicates the texture of paper and offers just the right resistance for the pencil. Writing and drawing feel much more natural, and the sound is identical to pencil on paper. It also reduces reflections and gives a matte finish that's easier on the eyes. The before and after is brutal. A foldable charger for your phone, earbuds, and watch? It opens like a pop-up book and is ready to use in seconds. For video calls, you can tilt it like a normal stand, but it also rotates 360 degrees. Super portable. Store it in its pouch and toss it in your backpack. No extra cables or adapters lying around. An impressive 45-inch monitor that also curves up to 800 ER, 3440 by 1440 resolution with cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio, ultra-thin bezels, and 240 Hz refresh rate. Its LG OLED panel completely eliminates motion blur. It's expensive, yes, but the immersive gaming and multimedia experience is absolutely brutal. Another powerful solution to charge everything. This wall charger can power up to 3 devices at once, 2 USB-C and USB-A ports, plus wireless charging for the watch. Perfect for tablets or laptops that don't support wireless charging, whether Apple or Android. The perfect solution if you switch between sunglasses and reading glasses. Their liquid crystal polarized lenses change from regular sunglasses to prescription, 0 to 2.5 diopters, with a simple gesture. They are customized via an app. When activated, a processor in the temple calculates the data and adjusts millions of tiny pixels that change their electrical state to create the exact prescription. Ideal for those who use between 0.5 and 2.5 diopters and want sunglasses without fixed prescription. A high-capacity 40,000 mAh power bank that can fully charge an iPhone 14 up to 7 times or an iPad Pro 12.9 inches about 6 times. It has 4 ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, and supports the latest PD 3.1 standard with bidirectional charging up to 140 watts. It can take a MacBook Pro 16 inches from 0 to 56% in just 30 minutes. Bigger is always better? This mini projector fits in a small bag but delivers 1,100 lumens, DLP technology, and Osram lamp for vibrant images. At full power, it lasts 3 hours. In eco mode, 500 lumens, it reaches 6 hours. It also works as a power bank. It has multiple ports, built-in Wi-Fi, and you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker with up to 48 hours of music playback plus synchronized LED light effects. Music makes any outdoor adventure better. This speaker is shock-resistant and waterproof, IP65, perfect for biking, camping, or even the shower. It has a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. Its 5 watts provides enough volume without disturbing others. Stable Bluetooth 5.0 up to 9 meters, compatible with TF cards and auxiliary input. Battery lasts up to 12 hours. Forget the chaos of papers and devices. This wearable computer is worn on the wrist or fingers. It scans barcodes, even damaged ones, takes detailed photos for documentation, has a 2-inch screen to check results instantly, plus built-in speaker and microphone. The battery lasts up to 3 hours of continuous work, but batteries can be swapped on the fly. Lightweight yet resistant to impacts, splashes, and dust. Working outdoors in direct sunlight is a challenge. This protector blocks annoying glare, improves visibility, and prevents laptop overheating. It attaches with secure but easy-to-remove clips without covering the camera or screen. It folds compactly to fit in your backpack and also protects your privacy during video calls. Desk lamp. But this one has superpowers. It offers multiple color temperatures and brightness levels. The head rotates 180 degrees for the perfect angle. While you read or work, you can charge devices wirelessly or via the built-in ports. When folded, it becomes a minimalist and elegant object on the table. Time to upgrade your door to the 21st century. This smart lock installs easily with a Phillips screwdriver on almost any door. It opens in multiple ways: code, smartphone, voice, watch, or fingerprint. Up to 100, including emergency fingerprints. It reminds you if you forgot to lock. Batteries last up to 9 months. The one-click function lets you exit with your hands full without any hassle. Before any adventure, a good power bank is essential. This 10,000 mAh one with 5 volts, 1 ampere USB output gives 4 to 5 charges for regular phones, 2 to 3 for large phones, and 1 to 2 for tablets. Compatible with action cams. All ports are protected. Its rubber coating and silicone case make it nearly indestructible. It includes an LED and compass in case your phone fails. It clips easily to your backpack and keeps you connected and safe. Full relaxation day. Forget therapists and enjoy a personalized robotic massage. This table with smart robotic arms offers complete privacy and sessions configured via app. The special airwear suit scans your body for greater precision. Heated air points replicate traditional massages with great realism. You adjust pressure and style as you prefer. The AI keeps evolving, but its mission is to complement, not replace, professional. ideal for content creators who want professional-grade audio without breaking the bank. The Verso M2 delivers crystal-clear sound, reaches up to 200 meters, and supports micro SD cards up to 256 gigabytes. You can record interviews or dialogues with 3 people at the same time without issues. Ready to use out of the box, 2 transmitters and a receiver that clip easily onto clothing. The receiver's screen shows you all the essential info at a glance. The battery lasts up to 40 hours. iPhone owners might need an extra adapter, but its Amazon reviews speak very highly of it. Does 3D scanning an object seem like a headache? RivaPoint's Miraco offers 0.05 millimeters precision, is wireless, weighs just 737 grams, and lasts up to 2 hours. Choose the mode based on the object size and start scanning. Its 48-megapixel main camera plus infrared sensors and LEDs capture textures and colors with great fidelity. See the result in real time on the 6-inch foldable AMOLED screen and send it to your laptop or phone. It has 32 gigabytes of memory, enough to scan an entire car. Tripod and turntable included for small objects. Because good lighting makes all the difference, this compact 5-watt RGB WW LED panel with Lumen Radio CRMX and IP65. Protection is a beast. It lights up 4 times brighter than the competition and lets you choose any tone or color imaginable. Its small size fits in almost any setup. At maximum power, it generates 1,585 lux and lasts about 2 hours. You can control it remotely or with the physical dial it includes. And that's it for the gadgets that are on another level. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments and tell me if you want a second part. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.